To get started, download VigiControl for free from the Google Play Store. It's a simple process. Just search for VigiControl and tap the Install button. Remember, the app will request permission to access specific functions on the device. For instance, it needs access to GPS for precise user location during emergencies, the microphone, and camera to attach multimedia evidence, and SMS as a backup channel when an internet connection or cellular data network is not available. Keep in mind that the VigiControl app doesn't come pre-branded with your organization's logo from the stores. To make it fully functional, you'll need to link it to your server, establishing a connection with your SoftGuard platform. There are two ways to register a device. Manual registration. In this method, users download the app, provide IP port, name, and phone number, and await approval from the monitoring center. The app is activated and configured from the VigiControl module. Early registration. This method reverses the order. First, you create a new user from the VigiControl module, setting up the necessary parameters. Then, the user utilizes the same name and phone number for instant access to the app. Let's delve deeper into these methods and see how they work. App activation requires users to connect to your server by manually entering the IP and port details. To obtain these details, navigate to the VigiControl module and access the service configuration section, where you'll find your IP address and port. Next, users must input their name and phone number. The app is now linked, and they have to await activation by your monitoring center. This new device will appear in the Unassigned Devices section. To complete the process, simply select the device and hit Assign Account to assign this device to a target. Early registration is the reverse of manual registration. Begin by navigating to the Assigned Devices tab, then click on New Device. Select a target and set up the device in advance. The device will appear in red as it awaits activation on the user's app. Upon entering the same name and phone number, users gain instant access to the app with predefined permissions and features. There are no wait times. It's crucial that the user enters their name and phone number exactly as you entered it during early registration, as any discrepancy will prevent the system from recognizing it. With this, we've covered setting up the device. After the registration, you can double-click on a device to configure it. Are you ready to continue?